What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on the video, and today you already seen the thumbnail, man. We about to do a review and on feet over these clean Air Jordan 13 Chinese New Year, man. And like every year I didn't have my hands on a pair of Chinese New Year since I started the channel, so I wanted to keep it going and give you guys this review and on feet, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now. We're about to hit 22,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with the channel. If you have not checked out the review and on feet over the Air Jordan 4 Black Cast, man, make sure you go check it out. Very clean on feet, very dope shoe, and I was glad that Jordan Brand finally dropped these things again. If you don't mind, please go follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below. And before we get any further with it, hit the like button right now. That really helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube that you guys are enjoying the content, man. I'm trying to give you guys a lot more reviews and on feet this year, so you guys please help your boy out by liking and commenting under the videos to leave some feedback on whatever shoe we are talking about, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this review and on feet over the Air Jordan 13 Chinese New Year's, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the first thing I wanted to point out was the box, man. Usually we get something different every year with the Chinese New Year's. Last year we got like a gold box, and this year we got a pink box for these 13s, man. Check it out, all over pink with the black Jumpman on top, and the official colorway is pale ivory, black, and digital pink, and these retail for $200. They didn't let me use any coupons, any discounts. Your boy had to pay that full retail price plus tax, man. Inside the box real quick, you got all these little stars and stuff over the paper. Check it out, check it out. And enough of the box, let's get into the shoe. The first thing I want to point out with the shoe was the Jordan logo on the tongue. Very different what we are used to seeing on any shoe pretty much. It's like a pop-out logo of the Jumpman, and it has white and black on it as well. Didn't get any extra laces with these. I thought you would have. Maybe some pink laces could have been thrown in with this, but they didn't. I'm trying to figure out what the extra 10 bucks was for, man. With the whole upper of the shoe, you can see all the details in the upper, man. You got a whole bunch of stars. Kind of look like some explosions going on. Of course, it's Chinese New Year's, and they always celebrate with lots of fireworks and stuff like that, so you can kind of see that whole theme on both sides of the sneaker. Very dope touches, I must say. Very different, and like I said, every year is something new that Jordan Brand does for the Chinese New Year thing. The shoe came with tan laces in them already, so very nice touch. It kind of contrasts well with all the colors on the shoe. Maybe if they gave us some extra laces, it wouldn't look too good, just because it would have been too much on the sneaker, man. As far as, you know, the pink, we got the tan, and then we have the like light beige or tan colorway as well on the upper. Checking out the bottom of laces, of course, you get your Jordan label, and on the back it has a Roman numerals 13, and on the outside of the shoe you get your hologram Jumpman on the outside. You know, you got the Jordan and you got the 2-3 inside the hologram theme logo. I must say that the darker tan or the brown color, whatever you want to call it, has a very much nice texture and suede. It's much thicker than, you know, the upper of the shoe. So if you guys are rocking these a lot, make sure you hit them up with some Crep Protect or whatever repellent you have for your sneakers, because you definitely going to need it for this all suede shoe. On the midsole of the shoe as well, we got some suede touches down here and on the medial side of the sneaker. And with the outsole of the shoe, you have a nice, you know, pink color. You know, usually a lot of people say they don't like wearing pink, but the pink hit off of the different color of tans hits very well off of this sneaker, and I'm glad that they, you know, did something different, gave us a different color we're not used to seeing on our Jordans, and it makes people that's collected and stuff open-minded with getting, you know, different colors and stuff like that, especially like those all, you know, platinum or like glittery Air Jordan 11s that dropped. A lot of people was bashing that shoe, but you know, Jordan Brand, I like how they, you know, putting different stuff out, and I thought that shoe was dope. And with the outsole as well, you got like some gold piping. Of course, you got your white pods, and you got your carbon fiber plate right here, as you can see. And you have another Jumpman logo on the outsole as well. On the inside of the shoe, let's check it out real quick. You got a regular brown cardboard shoe tree, and on the insole it has like feet in there, I guess you could say, or hands. I don't know what it really is, and the same kind of stars or explosions, if you want to call it, on the outsole of the shoe you get on the insole as well, man. Check it out, check it out. Let's get a nice little round view of both sneakers, let you guys gauge how you feel about them. I asked the employee how many shoes they had sold. It was midday when I went to go cop. You know, Jordan Brand has released a black cast during the week, and then the next day they dropped these CNY 12. So just because you see them sitting and stuff now doesn't mean that these things won't fall off the shelves, because I went in today and I asked how the black cat 4s are doing, and the only size they had left was an 11.5, man. So the black cats, you might think they sitters, you might think that they're general release, but people will really want to get that shoe. They was waiting for that shoe to retro, and we got it. And those things are starting to fly off the shelves, man. So if you want to buy your shoe, if you are digging it, don't worry about the resale price. If you want to personally, go ahead and cop. So right now in the comment section below, let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 13 Chinese New Year's. You know, last year we got the 12s. That shoe was very dope. You could peel off the upper on the Air Jordan 12 CNYs, and you get a whole nother theme over the shoe, which I thought was dope. And now that I have the left shoe in my hand, this one has a different insole as well. It is all pink and it has a black Jumpman on the inside. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Like I said, down below, let me know if you're gonna be copying these shoes today. I'm trying to get this review and on feet up for you guys. So when you get off of work, when you guys school, you guys can let me know how you feel about them. You guys can see if you really want to cop these shoes. I thought January is gonna be a slow month for Jordan brand, but it really isn't. They dropped a lot of heat, man. The Black Cat 4s, they dropped the CNY 13s, and of course you guys do know it was a shock drop for the Air Jordan 3 Chicago All-Stars, which I was able to hit on with the Sneakers app shock drop, so I was super happy about that. I did not get next day shipment, so you guys won't see that review and on feet until next week, but I will be dropping a video talking about that shock drop later on today or tomorrow, so you guys stay tuned for that and have the notification bell lit for your boy. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Appreciate all the love and support. If you have not hit the like button, hit the like button right now. It really helps YouTube know that you guys are enjoying the content, and it shows me that you guys are supporting the channel. If you don't mind, head over to Instagram and follow me at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this clean on feet over the Air Jordan 13 Chinese New Year's, man. Let's get it.